Welcome to our microlearning channel. In today's video, we would like to highlight an issue in science. We start by facing a huge problem: an estimated 8.7 million global species versus only about 1.6 million cataloged, which leaves enormous undocumented biodiversity and a chaotic landscape for scientific study. The map and labels on the right illustrate another issue. Local common names like puma, cougar, and mountain lion all refer to the same species, puma concolor, showing why standardized classification matters. This slide shows the Linnean hierarchical architecture of life, a pyramid that organizes organisms from broad domains down to species, with each level grouping life by shared traits. As we move downward, the categories get more specific. So a red fox, for example, is narrowed from eukarya to vulpes vulpes, which helps scientists communicate clearly about relationships and identity. Here we redraw the map of biology with the three-domain system. Bacteria and archaea are both prokaryotic but differ in habitat and cell membrane chemistry, while eukarya contains organisms with true nuclei and organelles. Recognizing these fundamental divisions reshapes how we understand evolutionary history and the major biochemical differences that define life's broadest branches. This slide contrasts old morphology-based thinking with modern phylogenetics. Animals that look similar, like dolphins and sharks, may result from convergent evolution, while genetic and structural homologies reveal true relationships, such as dolphins being more closely related to hippos than to fish, illustrating why DNA and developmental traits matter more than surface appearance for mapping ancestry. Cladistics maps evolutionary relationships by tracing branching points where key innovations arose, and the tree here shows how features like the development of jaws, lungs, and amniotic eggs mark divergences that define major groups. Reading these nodes helps us understand which species share common ancestry and which traits unite whole clades. Taxonomy has real-world impact across multiple fields. In medicine, it helps identify relatives of useful medicinal plants. In epidemiology, it guides tracking of viral mutations and zoonotic origins. In conservation, it prioritizes highly distinct endangered clades, and in agriculture, it enables breeding of disease-resistant crops using wild ancestors. So, classification directly informs practical decisions.